Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And when I was observing the passbook of SBI and I saw this pattern of the SBI logo just behind the passbook, and I thought there are 24 circles here, and some circles are in different color and some circles are with SBI logo. So I came up with an idea how I can use it to store the information and convert this logo thing into a something called a QR or encoder. So welcome to this project. Here it is. So we have total 24 circle here and two colors. So basically we can make a 2 to the power 24 combination, that is a basic thing of DLD. And here we are doing this with a Python. So first of all we are going to create a normal circle without using any logic there. So here it is, create color logo from number. So here we are giving the number in a function, and we are just using a simple validation, like we can only convert it for the 24 symbol. So if you want to just increase this, you can increase that, making a 30 and 40 more circles, so that you can store the account number or anything, obviously with the encryption layer also. So we can do that. So binary string, we are converting the number into a binary and storing this in a variable called binary string, and we are going to use it here when we will be converting that thing into a number. So how basically it will work, it will generate something like 0 for this color and 1 for this color in this case, but here we are using different colors like color 0 and color 1. Basic we are this RGB format 00, that is R, and G is 0, and it is a blue, and it is something like dark blue. So we are going to do that. So 0 and color 0 and color 1. So here we are going to set up an image, that is the basic thing that we are going to do with the PIL ImageDraw library, that is open source in Python. And we are just going to use a for loop, and based on the binary number, if it is 0 we are going to put that one color, and if we are just getting another color we are going to put 1. So else if we'll read it color 1, if bit is equal to 0, else color 0. So it is a basic inline if else function. And here we are just drawing a simple ellipse. Further we'll see how to draw for a SBI logo also, but here we are just making a simple ellipse. So if we'll run this, you will see this kind of thing. Let it load. Yeah, here it is. It is for another symbols, like we have given a number like 11354782, called the function that create logo from number, and here we got this kind of thing, and it is also saved using this function encode image dot save, and we are giving the name of the image that want to save and the format of the image. So for decoding that, just read this number, like if you just change it to 83 and just run this, and here we have this kind of image. And if we are just running this decoder, it is just reverse of the encoder. We are just using the same logic, and here is the number at the end, we have 83, and here is the binary conversion of that. So basically you can see 1 is for 10 you have got at the beginning. So here it is 10, 1 is for this color and 0 is for this light one color. So as we can understand from here, so here it is basically this code is generated by ChatGPT, just drawing the SBI logo, nothing else. So this is a kind of SBI logo. So using just combining this thing with our previous function, here it is, like there we were just calling the ellipse, but here we are just running the generate SBI logo function instead of that ellipse function. So it will generate the same kind of thing, but the circle will be not simple, it will be like SBI logo. So here it is. So we can also change the number and see. Now for now it is like 62 at the end, if you remember all the number. So if we are just going to decode this SBI logo, so if we are running this, here we got the 62 at the end. So it is a binary equivalent that this decode color is returning. So here it is binary string and decode number, both things are returned. So this is how you can just convert a simple this kind of thing into encoding details in it, and you can use it for any purpose for simple, but you can't just simply decode the account number directly. You have to just give some encryption and just convert it using the some cryptography and algorithm. So this was a simple project for that. Hope you enjoy.